This is the most amazing listing, and I'm so glad to be here with my friends Chris Dunn and Robin Gaddy. We are filming this house. It's 412 Arden Lane North in Providence subdivision. And if you haven't seen this doll baby cottage house, you're gonna love it. You're gonna pull up to it and you're gonna go, oh, that's the cutest thing I've ever seen. And then when you come inside, it is unbelievable. Look at this copper sink. Everything is to a T. You can move in, it's move-in ready. And besides that, what I love, the master's on the main, yet you could go upstairs, 2 bedrooms with their great big living room, and downstairs, you can have your own private apartment. There's a bedroom, there's a living room, it is unbelievable space. You have a 2-car garage plus, Chris, what have you got down there?
A
golf cart
room, garage.
Which is perfect too. This is a setup that's amazing for a family. It's amazing for me. You can downsize here, you can upsize here, you can do whatever you want to. But here you are in Providence, which you've got a community pool, community tennis court, wonderful, wonderful neighborhood, safe tucked back in here in this amazing cul-de-sac. You might not know it's here, but I want you to watch this video because you won't believe what you're gonna see. Call JoJo Jones, 478-731-1302. I'm with Sheridan Solomon, and this is a house you're gonna love.